Atmanirbhar Bharat Utsav 2024 in New Delhi. In Meghalaya Games, East Khasi Hills continued their domination of the badminton court with all 4 gold medals up for grabs in the boys and girls categories going to the district. In the girls' singles, the event was won by Natalia T. Taryang, who defeated her West Khasi Hills opponent, Shimtihun Lingdo, with bronze going to West Jaintia Hills and West Garo Hills. In the girls' doubles, Natalia paired up with Carolinda Nongbri and defeated Shimtihun and her partner Dorinzia Kharbani. The boys' singles saw Rainal Karbuki defeat his compatriot from the same district, Stephen Marwain. Rainal then partnered with Pratham Majumdar in the boys' doubles finals to beat Banshabor Lamare and Lichen Suchiang. Reebhoy and West Garo Hills shared the bronze. In hockey, India will take on Germany in